Today, we're tackling an exciting ingredient from Costco octopus, transforming it from a fascinating find into a delicious meal with these simple steps. First, unpack your Costco octopus and get ready to prep. You'll typically find it frozen, so thaw it completely in the refrigerator overnight or in a bowl of cold water for a few hours. Next is cleaning. Rinse the octopus thoroughly under cold running water to remove any residual brine or debris. We'll focus on the head and tentacles using sharp kitchen shears. Carefully cut away the beak, which is located where the tentacles meet. It's a tough bit, and you don't want to eat that. Then, in the head, you'll find the eyes. Gently cut them out and discard them as well. Some people also remove the skin at this stage, but it's optional and adds flavor when cooked. Now for tenderizing, a crucial step. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Carefully submerge the entire octopus into the boiling water for about 30 seconds. Then remove it. This helps the tentacles curl and begin the tenderizing process. Repeat this dunking process 2 more times for a total of 3 quick dips. After the dips, leave the octopus in the pot. Reduce the heat to a simmer, cover, and let it cook for about 45 minutes to an hour, or until it's fork tender. The cooking time will vary depending on the size of your octopus. Once tender, drain the octopus and let it cool slightly before proceeding to your desired recipe. Whether it's grilled, stewed, or served in a salad, enjoy your prepped Costco octopus.